What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to Sister J's Cuisine and Lifestyle. Let's make some powerhouse green juice in Sister J's kitchen. Guys, we are making a powerhouse green juice. We're using kale, some celeries, green apple, lemon, ginger, and cucumber. Let's get into this great green juice. First off, I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits. We're going to start off with the kale. First and foremost, kale is an excellent source of vitamin A, C, and K, as well as fiber. This powerhouse veggie is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cell from damage. Kale is also a great source of iron, which is essential for maintaining healthy red blood cell. But that's not all. Kale is also a fantastic source of calcium, which is crucial for bone health. And let's not forget about its high level of omega-3 fatty acid, which can support heart health. Please do your diligent research on kale so at least you can see it for yourself. Let's talk about celery and some of its health benefits. Celery is an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. It is also a good source of vitamin C, which helps support your immune system. Plus, celery is low in calorie and high in water content, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Just like me. That's why I'm drinking it. Yes. Celery is also a great source of fiber, which aid in digestion and help you feel full. And let's not forget about its antioxidants, which can help protect your cell from damage. Again, do your diligent research on celery. Now that I say all that about celery and kale, let's talk about cucumber. Cucumber are not only refreshing and hydrating, but they are also packed with essential vitamin and mineral. They are a great source of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. Cucumbers also contain vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that help protect our cell from damage. But that's not all about cucumber. They are very high in water content, making them a great way to stay hydrated. They are also low in calorie, making them great snack for those looking to maintain a healthy weight, just like me. That's why I'm doing it. Cucumber, celery, kale, and all that. Yes. So I'm trying to maintain my weight. Yeah. So the next time you go to the supermarket, don't forget to pick up some cucumber and include that in your diet. And again, do your diligent research on cucumber. So now that I said all about cucumber, kale, and celery, now you can do your diligent research on ginger, green apple, and lemon. Yes, guys. And you will see the great health benefits of them. So again, we're using kale, green apple, celery, cucumber, and lemon. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my fruits and vegetables with baking soda and vinegar, and then start the juicing process. See, my kale is right here washed, and I'm having it drain. And see, I have everything else peel, wash, and prepare. So I'm just gonna go ahead and juice. Guys, the juicing is gonna take place off camera because I didn't hook up my phone to a tripod stand. So you will see the finished touch. And here you have it, lovely people. My powerhouse green juice made with kale, cucumber, celery, green apple, ginger, and lemon. Powerhouse green juice. And as I said, please do your diligent research and thank me later. Thank you all for watching. As always, I said, live good, work good, pray, pray. Bless up yourself. One love.
Sister
Please
J.
subscribe for more from Sister
Caribbean
J's Cuisine
cuisine.
and Lifestyle.
Best
I talk
foods.
about food, I cook
Best
food, and of
foods.
course, I eat food.
Sister J. Caribbean cuisine. We're from that place where cook the best, cook the best. Sister J, that place will be full of mix. Our spices them mix.